Okay, so we are on to the next stage of our classes. So remember, this is stage two, more like intermediate slash advanced level. So, but first of all, we want to get ourselves used to the MT4 app. Let's work our way around the MT4 app. The first thing we want to learn is how you can create a demo account. When you download this app, what you're going to do is from the user interface. Once you open it, sometime MetaTrader 4 is going to open it an account for you. But the next thing here is the next thing we could do here is when you downloaded it, check the plus symbol here. Oh, sorry, rather we're not using this. We'll come to this. So, but let's look around. This is your MT4. When you tap on these three buttons here, that looks like whatever design interface. So when you click on it, here you have options where you can view your running trade. You can manage your accounts, like you want to view accounts that are logged in or you want to log out an account. You have settings as to proceed. So when you click on trade, you could see that it shows you your equity. So press your when you click on that trade, if you have an active trade, it's going to display the trade that is currently running from that menu. So always you can always tap this place to view. Yeah, it's mostly used when you want to log in. Whereas you have some of these options like from this place, you learn how to use them. When you tap that place, it's always going to display your currency codes for you. So like now we know the number of currency codes that are here. But if I tell you, for example, add to the list gold, which is XAUSUSD. If you can't find it, what you're going to do is you're going to click on the plus sign, but make sure you are under this section. Remember, I told you when you click here, uh, there's a place I was showing you guys something here. So if we want to add currency test, we just simply press here and then we search for whatever we want to add. You can type it there or come under where gold to be uh, categorized. Then you can do that from that side. Okay, you can do it from that place. The next is if I want to delete any, what's it called? If I want to delete from my list of pairs, I just want only few pairs. Maybe I only have focus on trading only Euro USD and GBP USD. What do I do? I simply click on the pencil sign. When I click on it, click on this delete icon, and then you know tap to deselect from tap to select. Now when I select this one, I now will tell MT4 that these are the ones I want to reduce the number of pairs. I will just want two pairs to be, displayed there. So I now click on delete, and that has gone off. If I come back to the menu there, you can see I only okay. I still have AUD USD showing. So I'm going. If I want to remove it from that place, I can press that and then delete that pair out because I just want USD and go USD because I want to focus on those two pairs. So that is that. So still on the app, if you want to create an account, like you guys are going to create your demo account. So how do you create a demo account? We don't want to use MetaTrader. We want to use some brokers that we know they have some currency pairs. So we click manage. Now when we go to manage from here, manage account, we'll now click the plus sign at this place. So I'm recording this Don't worry, I will take time to upload all the videos. So I click on the plus sign. Then we'll now have login to existing account, open a demo account. So for now, we are opening a demo account. But if you had created a real account, you now choose login. You type in the broker name. For example, if it's IC Market, I will type the broker name IC Market to that place. And if you have network, it should bring up the broker to that place. Name. Then when you click on the real account, you are always going to put in your login and your password. Then there's what they call server. Whenever you create an account, there's a place that include a server that is linked to that account. I didn't type, but let me type the IC Market fully so that you can see what I'm talking about. So for example, okay, yeah. So when I type IC Market, whenever you create an account, there is always going to be a server to it. So this is IC Market Live 7. This is IC Market Live 18. So those 18s are the server that is attached to your ID, MT4 ID that is created. So you have to select the right one and then you'll be able to log in. So, all right, we're done. Let's open a demo account first. What was that? So we want to open a demo account. Let's see if we can open a demo account from Xmail. Xmail is a non-broker. So let's see if we can open a demo account. The Xmail is not found here. The next one we want to open is Google Way. So I will type in this. Make sure you write this name down so that we want to create Google Way account. So you fill in your name, there, phone number.
Hello, sir. We lost audio, sir. Audio is lost, sir.
All right. So sorry, I'm going to restart the process probably. Okay, where did you lost you couldn't hear me properly again. Hello?
So we were creating a demo account before we lost the audio.
I know. What particular point?
We are at the point where we are looking for brokers to register under.
Okay. So what do we do? What's our plan? What's our plan? Let's see. I'm gonna rush the process again. The same thing, I can create different a lot. I can create so many demo accounts here. But when you want to set up an account on MT4, whether you're live or demo, click on this button, go to manage accounts, then we'll click the plus sign in this within this interface. You click the plus sign, then click on open a demo account. And I told you the one we want to be using is Figures Way. There are many brokers, but we want to use Figures Way because we'll be finding some pairs to trade. You can trade commodity, you can trade indices, you can trade currency pairs. So you click on it, you will need to fill out this. So it's a demo, it's just a dummy information. So I'm not putting anything serious here, but you can put yours. But mind you, what I said is that when you create, when you're creating this, you can also copy out the phone number so that your login details. So suppose you're on a trade and then you have two phones, you want to be following the trade up, even though it's demo, you can always do that. Now we want to, I say we want everybody. I think is anybody not hearing me? I have fixed up this issue. I fixed this issue up. So which saying you can't hear me? So set your account size to just $3,000. If I had more options to set it to 1,000 would have or 500. So you get used to trading with small accounts, not just using bigger accounts. Because on a normal day you can easily fund $100, but not everybody will be funding 1,000 to $10,000. All right. So when you're done, click on create, and then you can see the login information here. Remember, I told you from the other video I was doing, I said even when you create the real account, you need to picture these login details, your login ID, your password. Then they will also attach a server where this account is always linked to. So all those things are things you must represent and you must take note of. So that is it. So when you're done, under where you have the codes is where you will always find those names of those currency pairs. You will see all of them. Remember, I taught you that sometimes some of these pairs are not what you'll be trading, and then they could make the whole process much busy for you. Like you just want at a particular time, you are just looking at Euro USD and GBP USD. So I want to delete some of those pairs. So I will click the pencil sign and then press the delete button. I want to take off some of these pairs from that place. And then I'm going to press delete. So now we only have Euro USD and GBP as a pair of interest. So when you want to view the market, remember we're getting ourselves used to 24. You now tap on the Euro USD you want. Now click on open charts to view the live market. So this is Euro USD. Now, when you open Euro USD, we don't want to see some of these like this thing showing here. We don't want to see this in the environment. So what do we do here? To delete some of these moving averages, this thing, we'll now tap at the middle. Anytime you tap at the middle of your MT4, it's going to come with a menu like this. So when you tap on this at the middle, go to the frequency sign where you have that. Now tap on the pencil symbol. We want to delete everything here, everything there. If I click on this, it's gonna select everything. So I'll delete that. If we come back, you can see that the chart is clearer now. So that is how to take that off. Remember, if you want to go back, you have options here to go back. If you want to go to the currency, sorry, not there. I'm using a PC version, so probably I don't know why. I'm trying to look for a way for me to go back. All right, let me close the MP4 from here. Open it again. So this was where I was looking out for. So always take note of this icon. Here, if you want to go to your currency page, you click there, it's going to take you to that place. Here, if you want to, for example, they have different functions. If you want it to display, take you to the current active pair that is open, it's going to do that for you. So I think for now, that is the first stage on the app. We've been able to set up the app, and then now we'll begin to learn how to use this. I hope everybody can hear me now.
Perfectly, sir. We can hear you.
Okay. So this thing also, when it's too big, you can also minimize or expand it by pinching the screen of your phone and then drawing out. It's going to reduce the screen size. So you just tap and hold at the middle, try to pinch. It's going to reduce the screen size for you. That's it. I know my own screen is too small. That's the problem I get with this laptop battery. All right. Do you have any questions for now? I think we're done with this first stage.
Yes, sir. I have a question, sir.
What's the thing?
All right. As you click the middle of that chart you just showed us now, some menu up. There's some on the left and some on the right. So I can see M1, H1, like that all through. So please, what do those abbreviations represent?
Yeah, I'm coming to that. For now, the first step was for us to set up. Then we now start learning. Someone say you cannot hear anything. I think it's from your network. Try to unmute. If the host is muted from your end, try to unmute it so you can hear very well. Mr. Valentine. Click on join audio from your end. So I think we need to generate another new link. So I will cover the many aspects on the time frame and other things. That is for time frame, but I'm not going to cover that on this section here. I'm not covering this section. So let me stop this and we continue in the next recording.